So one thing about, I don't know, like segregating between price and quantity is like, for this, like, it kind of says that all workers are accumulating human,
No,
instead
not
of,
necessarily. I can divide them into different groups. Right?
yes, so I was thinking the US, like, it doesn't seem like a very high, like, the intensity of, like, high-skilled workers, like, seem to pursue, like, human capital is really high, but, like, it doesn't seem like you're adding to the stock of high school, like, the number of college graduates is stable and stuff like this.
Well, what do you mean?
Well, like, basically, the people who have college degrees seem to be investing more in human capital, but like the number of people with college degrees.
Let me divide it into the two stages. I don't know how much time we have left, so we'll finish this up next time.
Sorry.
Oh, no, it's fine. So here's the way I like to think about it. There's two dimensions on which, and this gets back to the question that was asked earlier. You can think about LH equals NH times HH, right? Times TH, right? Which is the amount of high-skilled human capital we have is how many people go in that category, times how much human capital they have, times how much time they spend working, right? Because that's like the total supply of human capital in the population. LL equals NL times HL times TL. Exact same concept applied to the low skill group. Okay? So let's think about the supply response. So LH over LL equals NH over NL times HH over HL times TH over TH. Right? So that's the relative quantity. So now let's say we go through a period, like the recent period, where this number grows slowly. So NH over NL grows, but not fast enough to keep the wage of high skilled from rising relative to the wage of low skilled. What's tended to happen? Well, those high skilled workers see higher returns. Their wages are up. Low skilled workers see lower returns. High skilled workers invest even more in themselves. Low skilled workers invest less in themselves because they're not getting as big a return. High skilled workers work harder. Low skilled workers work less hard. So what happens? The inequality. Well, that like exacerbates inequality because these guys now have not only, and it's a consequence of the slow supply growth, right? Once the extensive margin slows down and you don't have enough response on the extensive margin, these intensive margins, that is per capita margins, start responding. And they're going to respond and increase inequality even more, right? Because, right, if you look at per person, well, then this cancels out. Per person, it's all about these terms. And that's kind of what's been going on, is that not only do we have like slow growth in the relative numbers, but that slow growth in numbers has meant the returns to the two groups have diverged. As the returns diverge, the endogenous responses, again, supply responses in the usual direction, have actually exacerbated rather than lowered inequality. Right? So the slow growth on the supply side in terms of numbers actually has fed back into the system in terms of producing even more inequality. Okay, what's the blame? Well, there are a couple of things to blame. One is the baby boom. One is the baby boom was a big source of growth in supply. It happened for a while. In other words, we had very rapid growth in the supply of high-skilled workers like in the 70s. We had lots of young people coming into the market. The other is, if you look at what's happened is, as it returns to, say, going to college and prison, more people have tried to go to college, but particularly among men, the success rate hasn't been very great.